Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Explorer tire, updated. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, block wheels, loosen lug nuts, lift with the jack at the designated pinch point, remove the lug nuts, swap the spare, hand thread lug nuts, lower the vehicle slightly, torque lug nuts to spec, and lower fully before driving. Check spare pressure, store tools, and check torque after driving a short distance. Warm up your hands and walk through each tool and step before you begin to stay calm and efficient. Loosen the lug nuts a half turn while the truck is on the ground, then raise the vehicle until the tire clears. Fully remove lug nuts, replace the tire, hand thread the nuts, lower until the tire touches, then torque in the correct sequence to the recommended specification. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping your garage and workshop floors spotless while you work, and voice control makes cleanup effortless after greasy hands. It even navigates tight spots so you can focus on the job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Take your time with the star pattern to prevent an uneven wheel fit and possible vibrations. Use the exact torque figure in your owner manual and mark one nut to watch for loosening after a brief drive. If roadside, keep visible safety gear and call for help if you feel unsafe or the lug nuts are seized. Regularly inspect your spare and tools so you're ready when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.